Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a storybook for kids using ChatGPT and also Canva. So here I'm just going to make like an image. Make an image for kids, for instance. And just create the prompt and scenes, obviously according to your story. This is just what I have on the top of my head right now. I can't think creatively right now because it's late and my creative brain is just not there. But basically, to create the storybook page, I'm just going to, while we wait, add in a shape element at here at the top. And then I'll put the image down here. This could be like page 1. You could also do this for like the starting page of your storybook. Add in your text here. I'm just going to use this one, I think. Once upon a time, a black cat chased a chicken while a cow watches from afar. Okay, I'm not going to think right now, okay? So this will have to do. And I'm just going to change it to maybe this color. Let's see if ChatGPT is done with the scenes. Apparently not. We're just going to copy and paste the image into Canva. I'm not sure why it's taking a long time for it to generate, but you're just going to copy and paste it. Please just generate, please. Should I just do scene 1? Maybe. Okay, let's redo that. Okay, I'm just going to let it generate and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it's done generating. I can just copy the image here into Canva. And that's it. Obviously, you're going to want to add more images and stuff like that, but this is just obviously an example. I'm not going to do a whole storybook right now, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.